After your vehicle is declared a total loss, the process can feel confusing because things often start moving quickly. Usually, the insurance company will arrange for your vehicle to be moved to a salvage yard, often through companies like Copart or IAA. These companies store and process totaled vehicles after a claim is resolved. Before any settlement is finalized, the insurance company will typically inspect the vehicle, review photos, verify the damage, and prepare a valuation report. This report is used to determine the vehicle's actual cash value, ACV, which is the vehicle's market value immediately before the crash. The timeline can vary significantly. Some valuations are completed within a few days, while others may take longer due to inspections, document requests, title issues, ownership questions, mileage discrepancies, or valuation reviews. Once the valuation is complete, the insurance company will present a settlement offer. This offer generally includes the vehicle's value, applicable taxes and fees, and any deductions that may apply, such as a deductible if you are using your own insurance policy. In many total loss claims, the insurance company may provide two settlement options. The first is the standard total loss settlement, where the insurance company takes ownership of the vehicle and pays the full settlement amount. The second is an owner-retained settlement, where you keep the vehicle, but the insurance company deducts the salvage value from your payout. Because of that deduction, the owner-retained offer is usually lower. If you accept the settlement, the next step is title handling. If there is an active loan, the lender is usually paid first. If you own the vehicle outright, the insurance company may require you to sign over the title before payment is issued. If you decide to keep the vehicle, this is commonly referred to as owner retention. In that situation, the insurance company typically subtracts the salvage value from your settlement and allows you to keep the vehicle. Depending on your state's laws, the title may be branded as salvage, rebuilt, or another designation. The most important thing to remember is that you do not have to blindly accept the first valuation you receive. Review the report carefully. Check the mileage, options, condition adjustments, comparable vehicles, and any deductions that were applied. Asking questions before accepting a settlement can help ensure the valuation accurately reflects your vehicle.